This is Mysight UC application, 2.5K resolution with an LED light. Could be hung up on the wall anywhere with the mini tripod, battery operated. We're going to briefly go over the camera, show you some daytime and nighttime scene shot. Opening up the product, showing how nicely it's packaged. Please peel off all plastic film. Hardware, tripod mount, USB-C compliance cable, instruction guide, the camera. On the bottom of the feet, the sdxc card not included, the reset on and off switch, USB-C charging, and two 1/4 20 thread areas, speaker, two LEDs, the PIR sensor, and the camera. Turning on the camera and setting up is simply hitting the on button. Mounting is simply placing on the tripod pole. Locking down with 3 screws. Hanging down or hanging up is simply placing the camera on and locking down. You can hang upside down or right side up. Adjusting the gimbal for angles. Opening up the app, we show battery life and the connection. We have a gear. In the gear, we have working mode, events, recording settings, and more. In continuous recording, AC must be plugged in with an optional brick, as well as sleep mode. We have events, detection area. We can draw in the area and add where we want our detection. Person and vehicle. A siren, notifications, and lighting. Image and sound. Audible sound. Image quality from ultra low to highest and night vision. And voice mode. These are just some of the features of the camera security app. In Playback. As we go into Playback, it goes to the next available event. Picking a date at nighttime. The light triggers and comes on for the events. During the daytime, looking out through the window. These are just some of the events shown through the camera. We have the lights detecting for the security camera when motion is activated. As you can see, the security camera has 2 LED lights, and they can detect the motion with the PIR sensor. As we start to walk into the sensor's range, security is picked up. We're going to show you what the video looks like from the camera. So if you're looking for the Mysight 2.5K highest resolution with the UC application of events, this camera may be something that you are looking for in your camera needs for security, indoor and outdoor use. It is a subscription and subscription-free product. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your security needs. Thank you for viewing.